Have you heard about cryptocurrency, but still don't know what it really is? Let's break it down in the simplest way. Cryptocurrency is digital money. You can't touch it like cash, but you can use it online for trading, investing, or sending money. Popular examples include Bitcoin and Ethereum. It works on something called blockchain, a secure digital record system. No banks, no governments, just a global network of computers verifying every transaction. So, why do people like it? It's fast, global, and sometimes cheaper than banks. Many people also see it as an investment: buy low, sell high. But it's risky too. Prices go up and down fast. And if you lose your crypto, there's usually no way to recover it. So, don't jump in blindly. Learn first, start small, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is powerful, but only if you understand how to use it. Comment below, "I want to learn crypto" if you're ready. See you in the next video.